kay Donnie Pangilinan, wala namang perpekto na relasyon. Talagang silang dalawa ay nagkakatampuhan at nag-aaway. Pero ang kanilang pinag-usapan ay tuwing na mag-aaway sila ay dapat bago talaga matulog ay aayusin nila. Ayaw nila bukas ay magkaaway pa rin. At pinagkumpara nga ang love team ng ABS-CBN at Don Bell. Sabi nga nila sa Tayo sa Wakas, the overall vibe felt more matured, reflective, and emotionally honest compared to the usual love team promotions. What stood out most to many people was how Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano spoke less about fantasy romance and more about growth individually and real-life changes. There was this quiet, bittersweet energy in the way they answer question. Hindi siya yung overall scripted, kilig na pilit, parang both of them genuine. No, they entering a different pace as artists and maybe even as people. That's why a lot of fans felt emotionally hearing them say might be last for now as Don Bell. Hindi talaga natin alam kung sino talaga ang nagdesisyon sa kanilang dalawa or sinong una nagsabi na mag-stop muna. Belle sounded emotionally aware and calm, especially when she talked about growth and finding yourself individually. Donnie seemed more introspective this time. His statement about not forgetting yourself while loving someone felt surprisingly mature. Their chemistry still feels natural but less cute and more comfortable and grounded. You can also sense they respect each other deeply even outside the love team image. Something the post announcement in a smart and mature career move. Other think the timing also helped create hype and curiosity for the movie. Dahil napakatalino ng dalawa ay alam talaga nila toxic ang love team. Pinangunahan na lang nila na mag-separate kesa maapektuhan ang relasyon nilang dalawa. Kaya sabi nga ng lahat ay may sariling desisyon ang Don Bell. Hindi nagpapahawak sa management, hindi nagpapahawak sa mga parents, lalo na sa mga bosses nila.